Okay, so now I would like you to do the reverse bay parking, please. Any bay you like. Just make sure that your four wheels are inside the bay.
I'm going to drive forward. So put the car in drive. Fix point check. I'm going to drive forward just a bit. So, here. Then I'm going to put the car into reverse. Observation again. No hands up. So put that back there.
Okay, so it's okay. Just keep holding the car here.
Yeah.
I just need to get the thought process in you. So you're using this white line.
Yeah.
Good. So looking at your observation point of view, tell me which bay your car will gonna go into.
That one there. The one behind, the one just after it.
So which bay is your first bay?
This
This
is mine,
one, yeah.
So it's going to go into the one next to it. Is it going to go into that one?
So this is the first bay.
Yeah. So, it's gonna go
So
into
where the
second.
big tree is, this is the
Yeah.
first bay. So the one behind that one is your second bay.
Yeah.
So you're telling me that's going to second bay.
Third bay.
Ah. So which one is the third bay?
The third bay
Is next to the.
blue car. It's actually used. That one.
Got it?
Yeah.
I'm not saying you can't use it. I mean,
Yeah.
challenge yourself. It's good idea to do it now. I mean, this is something you still can do it.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to explain to you that in your mind, you are thinking about the second
Second
bay.
bay,
It's not
yeah.
this. I still want you to challenge yourself.
Okay.
Carry on doing that. It's a good learning experience for you. However, I knew what you were thinking. I knew
Yeah.
that you're thinking about a second, but it's not. You're gonna swing into third bay.
Okay.
Is that clear now?
Yeah.
All right, let's carry on using this
Yeah.
one. You can still do it.
Okay. So check my blind spot. Full lock. So that's observation. Yeah, I'm way out.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So what you gonna tell to the
I'm
examiner?
gonna readjust myself.
Okay.
So I'll put the car in drive. Observation. And then just drive.
And you can use as much space you have got. You can use it. Be a selfish driver. If it's safe to do so, yes, use it. So what are you planning now?
Observation.
Okay.
And I'm gonna reverse.
So which bay are you gonna go towards the left or towards the right? What are you thinking to do?
The one towards the right. I'm going, so not that bay. The same.
Yeah, but are we gonna, when we're reversing, is our backhand
Yeah.
gonna go more towards the left or more towards the right? What are you thinking to do? Looking your side mirror, that might help
Yeah.
you. What do you think is but more convenient and safer?
Towards the right.
Where's your right?
So it's going towards the left, isn't it?
If
I'm
you,
confused.
it's okay. If you look on the left mirror
Yeah.
and look on the right mirror, right mirror you're already quite closed over there to the white
Yeah.
line, but you got a big gap over there.
So it's towards the left.
So we're supposed to go slightly more towards the left, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because this is the bay you're targeting right behind
Yeah.
you. But if you're gonna keep to the more to the right, you end up going into between the two bays.
Which
So
is
you
why-
always target where you got a bigger gap. So we've got a more bigger gap over there. Obviously, we're
Yeah.
not going next to the blue car.
Yeah.
We're going The one after. So let's say when you go motor left, and what were you going to do?
So this is 12 o'clock. I would hold the wheel to just about 9 o'clock.
No, that's for only when you pull up to the right and reverse back. This maneuver, or forward way parking or parallel parking, we do quarter steering. So we do quarter to the left, like that much. Okay?
So obviously put the car in reverse. It tells the drivers what I plan to do. Do my observation. Hold it as a quarter. And then just creep in pace.
And once you feel that your car in, then maybe a bit more there. And what you're going to do with the steering now.
Straight to the back.
But if you're going to do straight,
so a quarter this way. Because it then straightens
because the car is slanted now. Because if you're going to go straight, the car will going to carry on going
that way.
But if you're going to do quarter right, the car going to make it straight. And then you make it straight, 12 o'clock, when it's become parallel to the white line.
Again, observation.
That's good. That's good. Happy with that?
Yeah.